Claude just turned Slack into your personal coding team, and developers are freaking out. You know that feeling when you're deep in a Slack thread about a bug, then you have to switch to your IDE, then GitHub, then back to Slack to update everyone, then back to your code. That context switching, it's killing your productivity as violently as a dead phone battery during an emergency. But here's the crazy part, Anthropic just made that entire workflow obsolete. And the way they did it changes everything about AI coding tools. Because they didn't build a better coding assistant. They built one that lives where you already work. Let me paint you a picture. Your product manager drops a bug report in Slack. Hey, users are seeing errors on checkout. You read it, then you have to open your IDE, find the repo, remember what you were just reading, start investigating, code a fix, test it, open GitHub, create a pull request, go back to Slack, update the thread. This is the hidden tax on developer productivity that nobody measures. You're not coding, you're playing information telephone between 6 different apps. And with 47 million people using Slack daily at over 750,000 organizations. Yeah, this isn't a small problem. But here's what makes this fascinating. Every AI coding tool until now has been stuck in one place. GitHub Copilot lives in your editor. Cursor is in your IDE. They're all trapped in silos. Therefore, the next frontier isn't making AI smarter at coding. It's making it exist where the actual work conversations happen. December 8, 2025. Anthropic drops Claude Code integration for Slack. And it's not what you think. Here's what actually happens now. You're in a Slack thread. Someone reports a bug. You type, Claude fix this. That's it. Claude reads the entire conversation thread. Understands the context from your team's discussion. Automatically identifies which repository this affects. Starts a coding session, investigates the bug, writes the fix, tests it, posts progress updates in the same thread you're already in. Then drops links to review the code and open a pull request. All while you keep discussing other things with your team. But get this, Claude Code was already generating over $1 billion in annualized revenue 6 months after launching. Companies like Rakuten cut development timelines from 24 days to 5 days. That's a 79% reduction. And now Anthropic just gave it access to 47 million daily Slack users. While GitHub Copilot and Cursor are still asking developers to come to them, Claude Code went to where developers already live. This is the agentic hub strategy. Whoever dominates Slack, the center of engineering communication, might dominate how software gets built. Here's why this matters more than just cool AI feature. The technical barrier just disappeared. Product managers can watch code being written in the same thread where they reported the issue. Non-technical stakeholders can see development progress without learning GitHub. But it goes deeper. The integration doesn't just save time. It fundamentally changes the unit of work. Your conversations and your code are no longer separated. The distance between, we should fix this, and, fixed, just collapsed. Yet, and this is important, there are real questions here. Code security when another platform has repository access. Dependency risks if Slack or Claude's API goes down. And the bigger concern, are we automating away developer skills faster than we can build new ones? Even at Anthropic, most employees can only fully delegate 0 to 20% of their work to Claude. It's a constant collaborator, not a replacement. Therefore, what we're seeing isn't AI replacing developers. It's AI reshaping the entire workflow around how development actually happens in teams. So let's recap. Anthropic didn't just add Claude to Slack. They made a strategic bet that the future of coding tools isn't about living in your IDE, it's about living in your workflow. The context switching that's been bleeding developer hours for years. Potentially solved. The gap between conversation and code. Collapsed. Whether you're a developer drowning in tabs or a founder trying to ship faster, this shift from isolated tools to embedded collaboration might be the most important development in AI coding this year. The beta's live now, and honestly, the race to dominate where developers actually work just got very, very interesting. Please comment your thoughts or questions and subscribe to stay informed. See you on the next video.